In today's video, I'll show you how to get everything unlocked instantly by installing the Resident Evil 4 100% save file with a simple guide. Check my video description for this mod link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Once you open this save, navigate to this PC, C drive, users, public documents, Steam, Rune 2050650, remote Win64, and this is ever game progress. You need to back up before dropping this 100%. Right click on desktop and select new and select folder. Drag and drop all of your game progress inside. Once you take backup, drag and drop this 100% save inside. Now you can close stuff here and right click on the game and select open file location. Find this Steam underscore EMU and select edit in notepad. Scroll down. Check my video description for this mod link. This is the download page. Go to description and scroll down. Find this how to download under. You can able to see in tab line code. Copy this code. Minimize. Paste it in account ID. Remove this hashtag. And now select file and select save option. Close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, go to main story, load game. Everything unlocked as you can see completed. And that's how you can install this 100% save. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.